Hi, today we are making pizza. So actually we are making a pan pizza with a very delicious meaty cheesy topping and with a very thick, soft, interesting crust. So let's start with 4 cup APF aka all purpose flour with 1 teaspoon sea salt and 3 tablespoon milk powder. Milk powder will give soft, creamy hint to dough with 1 tablespoon sugar. 4 tablespoon elbow grease, oil, and 1 beautiful egg. Give a little bit jiggle and add 1 tablespoon instant dry yeast. I'm using 1 and 1/4 cup lukewarm water. Add it gradually, and if you feel like the dough is too dry, then you can use 2 to 3 tablespoons more water. It's time to introduce the human machine, left or right, it's your choice. Kneading can be very sticky and frustrating process, so have some confidence in your forearm strength and do your best. It will take anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes. When dough clear the sides of bowl, drizzle some olive oil and knead for 1 to 2 minutes more and cover with plastic wrap and rest it in a nice quiet and warm area for at least 2 hours. For the creamy chicken filling or topping, in a pan, heat up 3 to 4 tablespoon oil and add the chopped onion. Saute them for 2 to 3 minutes on medium high heat before adding the bell pepper. Give them a little bit stir in the pan for 2 minutes straight. For the chicken part, I'm using 250 grams boneless boiled chicken, which I boiled with salt and pepper and shredded them. Stir fry the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes, then add green onion. For some spice in life, add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. For some more bright colors, add almost everyone's childhood favorite snack, which is steamed or boiled sweet corn. Add half cup sweet corn, then toss everyone up and down in the pan. Please don't scatter them around for 3 to 5 minutes on medium high heat. So the spices cover every inch of veggies and chicken. 3 tablespoon flour. Flour is gonna helping thickening the filling. Cook just for a minute and add 1.5 cup milk of a very beautiful cow and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. When the filling starts to leave the edges of pan and it gets a little bit thicker consistency, then turn off the flame and let it cool down. This chicken spread is more than enough for 5 to 6 pizzas. On to the second most important part of the pizza, which is sauce. I have 4 big ripe tomatoes, which is about 500 grams. Carve out an X on each tomato surface and boil for 1 minute. Do not boil more than 1 minute, otherwise it will get very mushy out of the pan and start taking off their skin. X will help us to get rid of the tomato skin easily. Cut them into small cubes. You can blend them if you want your sauce blended, but I like my sauce chunky, so that's why I am chunking my tomatoes. Heat up 2 to 3 tablespoon oil into pan. Finally chop 1 medium onion and saute them for 3 to 4 minutes until it's given up the rawness. Mince up 3 garlic cloves and throw them into the into the saucepan and stir them for about a minute. Garlic cooks really fast, so please be careful about this little plant kingdom creature. Now add the chunked up tomatoes and break them into more little chunks with the help of spatula. Cover them and cook them for about 5 minutes on medium heat. I'm using 1 teaspoon red chili flakes and 1 teaspoon salt with 1 tablespoon sugar. Sugar will provide a hint of sweetness, and 2 tablespoons white vinegar for some acidic flavor. It's not pizza if it does not have a little bit Italian touch, so throw 1 teaspoon oregano and cook for 2 more minutes on medium-high heat, and be careful not to burn the sauce. Our dough develop a lot of gluten. Take this fluffy white baby out of the bowl. Generously flour the work surface and evenly coat it down with flour. Cut it into 4 to 5 pieces if you want a thin crust pizza, but I am making a thick crust pizza, so I am cutting it into 2 parts. If pizza make you fat, then don't worry about that, because in today's video we are gonna make him fat. So take a deep breath and stay with me. Grease the pan with oil and place the round baby and start flattening it out by pressing it from center towards the edges. It's gonna show a little bit resistance at first, but overall it's very easy to handle. Okay, onto my rusty dusty stove. Cover the pan for about 10 minutes on low flame. Check if the bottom is done and then flip it. It's actually very thick crust, so it's not easy to flip. Okay, look at this crispy bottom. Add 3 tablespoons delicious tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons chicken filling. You can adjust the quantity of chicken filling. I mean, it's your pizza, do whatever you want. Next up, classic mozzarella cheese, about half cup. My strategy for pizza topping is to make them as colorful as rainbow. So we are going green bell pepper, tomato and onion. Okay, fixing some distribution issues here. Now cover it for another 10 to 15 minutes until the bottom side is cooked perfectly and have a very crispy layer to it. After 10 minutes, the bottom has the beautiful golden color. Take them out of the pan. Okay, the crust is soft, light and bouncy, and the topping is just die for. I mean, it is a very different but a very delicious pizza. I'm gonna give it 9 out of 10. A very time taking to make but very delicious to taste. So thank you. Bye.